Nature made you perfect. Nature made you perfect. The system only made you believe you were not enough. Nature made you in a way you were vibrating high to the source. Your magnet was strong. Still control over your imagination. Still control over your unconscious program. Until you were forced into the system, and there they made you study for the next test, and a week after that you had another test. You know what this does? This makes us short-term thinkers. How our mind truly works is we hold an image in our mind, we start to vibrate on that frequency, and our unconscious mind is able to see the right opportunities. If you get programmed as a short-term thinker, you are not able to control your own future. You are not able to control your own unconscious mind, to control your own frequency. Start to see the bigger picture. If you always have to be around people who are in a short-term thinking vibration, what do you think that does to your vibration? If you're always in a vibration of people who do not control their unconscious mind, so they're like energy, they're like water, easy to manipulate by media, what do you think that does to your vibration? Realize, if you go within, start to meditate more, go in nature, you will start to control your unconscious mind again. You start to use this body the way it's supposed to be used. Nature made you perfect. Your unconscious mind is just acting on the vibration it's on. The only way I'm able to make these videos is because I'm in a certain vibration of nature. When I'm at home, I cannot get these thoughts. I cannot give this knowledge. But when I get in nature, I get a different frequency. I'm able to get different thoughts, vibrate higher, and see the bigger picture of things. Create a different perception. You can also do this by technology. Reprogram your mind. Nature made you perfect, but if the system broke your mind, you have to reprogram it back and get back in nature, because nature needs you. It needs you to change this system in your own unique way, but you never had the chance to find your own unique way and to create awareness how to change the system in your own unique way. But I found the solution. Everything you need on SmartVibesOnline.com to find yourself and to change the system in your own unique way. We are new souls on this earth. There are only things that make us vibrate low. There are things that keep us in a lower awareness, and they trick the older souls in giving the younger souls to the system that breaks them. And the only reason is because they cannot see what the system is doing to their children's vibration. They cannot see what these things are doing to our vibration, to our unique frequency, because these new souls, the unique souls, these unique children are perfect. They are unique, and we are trying to fit them in something that's broken. We need those unique souls to create something unique in this world. Don't try to change their minds. Their minds are perfect. They can adapt in their own frequency. Don't force them in an environment in which they have to run in a loop. Let them in nature. Go meditate with them. It's our job to create this world, to make this world a better place. Don't distract yourself. Don't think by voting you are able to change anything. That's not true. Things that control the system don't have feelings. So you are never gonna win this game by playing by their rules, because voting is created by them. Realize you can only change this system by vibrating higher, creating more awareness on your own frequency, by using your own imagination. Nature made you perfect. You only think you're not perfect. Don't lose your unique self. It's your power. Only by being your unique self, having your unique perception, not affected by the vibration of the environment, you are able to change the environment in your own unique way. You're way smarter than they have ever made you believe. In school they are just testing fish how good they can climb a tree. We're not here in climbing in the tree. We're here to swim in the water. Be water, my friend. Go in nature, find yourself, and change the system. That's the only way, and that's how we're gonna do it. Check SmartVibesOnline.com. Let the heart control the mind.